Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share my recent beauty favorites with you, and maybe you will find something that you want to try also for yourself. So let's begin. I have a couple of products in front of me and I'll begin with foundation, and this is the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. I've been using the foundation for the last year and this is my favorite one. I love the coverage. It's full coverage, but it's still natural looking, if it makes sense. It has SPF 10 and it stays really long on your skin. I apply it in the morning and my skin looks really amazing till the end of the day, and this is what I'm looking in a foundation. Also, it's not cakey. I can really apply. I apply like 2 pumps and it covers everything and it lasts so well on the skin. It's on the pricey side, but I think it's totally worth it. Before this foundation, I used the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I love this foundation. I think I will purchase it so I can remember how it performs. But for 1 year, this is my second bottle I purchased. I love it and highly recommend it. If you haven't tried it, try it. Okay, moving on to some cream products. Cream products have become essential in my makeup stash. I am really drawn to cream products and I really like to use them on a daily basis. I think they look super natural on the skin and this is something that I'm looking for in my makeup routine. So I have 2 of them. This is the Glowgasm Charlotte Tilbury blush, and I have a review on this product. I will link it if you want to watch it. But this product is so awesome. I have it on my cheeks today and it is blush. It's basically blush, but it's super glowy that you can, it's like a mixture of blush and highlighter in one product. And this is my second tube. I love it. The only thing that bothers me in the product is the sponge. It gets super messy, but other than that, I love it. And if you haven't tried it, try it. Next up, we have the YSL cream highlighter in the shade Light Gold. I almost went through it. I started using the product last summer and yeah, I use it almost every single day. It's super pretty, gives you such a pretty glow from within, and it is 100% my favorite highlighter. I really like it, recommend it, and it's perfection. Next up, we have a brush. This is the MAC 188 stippling brush. This is how it looks like. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but it is worth it. I used to blend all my cream products, like the blush, also the highlighter, the stick highlighter. I like to blend it out with this brush and it does the job really well. Awesome. Let me know in the comments if you know a dupe for this brush, like a stippling brush from the drugstore. I would love to know that. Let me know. Next one is an oldie but a goodie. This is the Champion Pop by Becca, created by Jackie Hill. This is a highlighter that I started using again and I included it again in my beauty routine. I like to apply the stick highlighter and over it I like to go with the powder highlighter with this one. and it's perfect. I mean, it's so intense. I will put some more on the cheeks. Yeah. I like to go with it. It's super intense, it's super... I have it for 3 years, and you get a lot of product. I mean, I like it. If you want to try it, try it. I know there are so many highlighters on the market, but I decided to include it in my beauty favorites because I really do use it almost every single day in combination with the stick highlighter. I like this combo. Next up we have brow product, and this is the Maybelline Micro Brow Pencil. This is from Maybelline, and this product is super nice. I like the shade soft brown. I like to fill out my brows, and yeah, it's super easy to fill out the brows. You also get this brush on the other side. I think it's super affordable. If you're looking for a drugstore pencil, try the Maybelline one. Okay, last but not least, I want to mention the Pillow Talk lipstick by Charlotte Tilbury. This is a recent favorite of mine. I purchased this lipstick this month, I have to be honest, but I think that this cover is perfect if you're looking for a nude that is this shade is like your lips, but better version of your lips. I like it. I love the formula. I like how it applies, how it performs. It is becoming a big favorite of mine, and I will use it a lot during spring and summer for sure. These were my beauty favorites. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you want me to create more beauty favorite videos on my channel, and I will do that. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram, it's Mariya Marinova, my name, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one.